What's poppin', man? SRT David is here. As y'all can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we finna be reviewing this 4K Wi-Fi mirror dash cam, bro. This company Pelsi Starlit series sent me this package and they said, hey, can you review this for me? And honestly, I looked at the reviews on Amazon, I looked at the reviews online, the website, looked at the reviews anywhere I can find this, and it's nothing but good positive feedback. So, you know SRT David, you feel me? Like, I gotta go ahead and get my own feedback and my own view of it. So we finna go ahead and open it on up and see what it's talking about. So let's do the unboxing right now. Like everything, I literally just got it out the mail. Literally right now, hold on, y'all. Let's go ahead and open it on up right now. Ain't gonna lie, 10 out of 10 packaging. I can't say that. Honestly, I reviewed something of theirs before, and their packaging was a 10 out of 10. I don't know how to open it correctly, so we're just gonna open it up just like this. Alrighty, y'all. Ooh, they making sure this don't go nowhere. Okay. Look at that, y'all see that? It's actually fire. This is the mirror itself. This is the mirror itself. This look like it's gonna be fire. I'm not even gonna lie. And it got a record, it got a camera on here. This is fire. This look like it's gonna be fire. All right, y'all. And the wiring, all of the wiring, wire cord number 1, wire cord number 2, wire cord number 3, wire cord number 4, and these are the 128 gigabytes, and you know, the manual guide and all that. So let's go ahead and read the manual guide before we even continue with this video, so I can know how to do stuff before I just blatantly just show y'all how to do it, or y'all can actually watch me do it because y'all want to learn just like I want to learn for real. So let's go ahead. Alrighty, y'all. I'm currently installing it right now. I'm doing this with the cable and going across all the way down in the port right here. I'm 9 times out of 10 not going to install the review mirror camera because I don't want too many cables going all the way from my car. But I may have to get that professionally installed because I personally do not know how to do that. So I know it's going to be another cord somewhere here that I have to install also. So yeah, y'all, we just gonna get to it. Alrighty, we finna install it. Right. Alright. And it hooks right in there, that port. And I have this already inside of it, the cigarette lighter. So let's get ready to turn this bad boy on. Alright, y'all, I got it in here. I just got to get the wiring right. Look at that. That is tough. That's hard. That is tough. That is fire, y'all. So let's look at the different manuals. The quality of it is very much 4K for sure. Like, I'm not even looking at the road right now. I'm looking through the mirror, and that's bad. But this is actually fire. I'm not even gonna lie. This is actually hard. So we're finna be safe and stop and look at the different things that we can utilize using this car. Okay, let's stop the footage. Let's go to camera settings. Camera says resolution, they got 1080p, 2.5K, 2.5K. Let's look at the difference between 2.5K and 4K.
Recording started.
Y'all see the difference? It honestly don't look a difference. The 2.5K also looks 4K. That's great quality.
Recording
We're
stopped.
gonna stop that and go back into.
Recording started.
We're gonna stop that, my
Recording
bad,
stopped.
and go back to 4K. This is actually pretty fire, y'all. This is a fire mirror. We got the parking monitor sensor, low, medium, high. G sensor, medium. We're gonna go high. Frequency, 50Hz, 60Hz. Video length to where I want to stop it for real, for real. This is actually fire. Audio recording, on, off. Timestamp, on, off. This is actually fire. This is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. Smart driving. We got ADS, BSD, LCA. This is actually cool. So these require for the rear view mirror camera to be on. It's like blind spots, and the ADS is straight on, like getting close to somebody, almost in the rear end them. File Explorer. These are the videos that I've taken so far.
Recording started.
That's hard, y'all. That's fire. Let me turn this off. System settings. We have all of these options. Volume setting, boot up sound, touch sound, audio power off, audio auto screen off, speed unit, speed adjustment, language, time zone, voice control, select alert voice, show speed and time, GPS information, Wi-Fi frequency, Wi-Fi information, date and time setting, format, versions information, factory reset. That's hard. Oh no, we don't need that. This is fire, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. This is fire.
Recording started.
And then the angle, you can angle it up, you can angle it down. You can angle it up, you can even angle it up a little bit more. Just like that. That's hard. Alrighty, y'all, that is the end of this video. This is actually fire footage. This is actually fire footage. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This camera is literally 4K. This is actually a fire investment. So make sure y'all click the link in bio so y'all can get this camera and get set up. This is actually pretty cool. Like, I gotta get my rear view camera mounted on here too, in the back. This is pretty cool though. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. What else y'all want to see from SRT David, and we're gonna get it done. I love y'all. Jesus Christ and God love y'all a lot more. I'm out.